My pretty girlies, welcome back to another wig video. So this 4-in-1 pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled, pre-cut, yes girl, lace frontal wig is from MyFirstWig. So this 4-in-1 wig is a convenient wig for my girls who is on the go and just don't have the time to do the whole shebang that comes with putting on these lace frontal wigs. So I'm going to go ahead and show you girls how easy it is to install this curly lace frontal wig. Oh, and did I mention that this is a glueless install? Of course, because I mean, I don't do glue anyway. Alright, so before I do any type of like securing the wig down, I'm going to go ahead and cut the sideburns off on this wig just to get the wig to fit my head better. Now you definitely don't have to cut the sideburns off, especially like if you're going to glue your wig down. I don't glue my wigs down, so I just prefer to go ahead and cut the ear tabs off. So yeah, let me go ahead and zoom in on the hairline so you girls can see what the hairline is looking like. Now the lace did already come pre-bleached, so I didn't have to worry about bleaching the knots. Now I do feel like the lace is a little bit too light for my skin, so I am gonna go in and of course apply my 𝗣𝗿𝗏 hairspray, and that's gonna go ahead and help that lace melt right on into my skin. So I'm not really worried about the lace being a little too light right now. So I'm gonna apply the hairspray directly to the lace, trying my best not to apply it on the actual hair because I don't want my hair to be crunchy.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
Okay, and so see how the lace blends into the skin once you apply the 𝗣𝗏𝗏 hairspray. So definitely make sure you get you some hairspray if the lace appears a little too light on your skin. Definitely helps with blending in the lace. So once you do that, go ahead and tie your hair down with some sort of headband and proceed to the next step, which is your parting. So I'm going to be doing a middle part with this wig. So this is a 13 by 6, so I get 6 inches of parting space on this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and press out the hairline on this wig and get this wig to be on the flat side.
I would like to get to know if I could be the
that I got this wig super flat, which I really don't know if it was worth getting it flat because I'm gonna have to go back and wet it, but look at how beautiful the hairline on this wig is and how flat and smooth the wig looks. Like it literally looks like it is growing out of my scalp. This wig is beautiful. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and define the curls on this wig. So I am using this like curl activator cream. I used this one time on my natural hair and liked it, but I forgot about it. So I'm going to use that and put it in a spray bottle and shake it up with a water bottle and see if it does good on this hair texture. And then I'm going to use a paddle brush to basically define the curls or whatever. And I am going to work in sections with this.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Tell me if you're the sign. Oh, it's true. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, that I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love unto you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to call you out, and let you know everything will be alright. Oh, yeah. Going through, yeah. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, it's true. I wanna be down. Got to be down.
Alright, so as y'all can see, the hair definitely curls pretty good. The Jerry Curl Activator works good with this curly hair texture as well. Now, I don't know if you guys see this right now, but I did not apply the product all the way to the roots of the hair, which I will do later in the video. I don't know why I didn't do it. Maybe because I was thinking like I was going to wear the hair like this, but later in the video I decided that I did not want to wear my hair like this, so I ended up fixing this later in the video. So anyways, girl, yeah, so I did like the curl pattern on this wig. The curls is not super tight, but it definitely has like a nice coil pattern to it. The Jerry Curl product definitely works nice with curly hair, of course. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna go ahead and take this headband off so you girls can see how the lace blends into the skin and what the wig looks like as the hair continues to dry. So since the majority of the hair is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the concealer to the part just to clean up the part and make that part a lot more visible. Then I'm gonna take my hands and just start to fluff up the hair and just add some more volume to the hair. But like like I said, as you can see, I did not add any product to the roots of my hair, so you can see where I hot comb my hair and where the curls start. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the spray bottle that had that Jerry curl and water mixture, and just apply that very lightly to the roots of my hair. And as you can see, it is already working to get the curls to start activating where my hair is straight. And I'm making sure that I don't pull my fingers through the hair completely, because I don't want this hair to frizz up, and I don't want to like re-wet my entire head, because like I just don't want to do that. So I'm just doing it this way instead. And y'all, like, the hair, the curls is so pretty on this wig. Okay, y'all, so I have pretty much applied the product all over, and this is what the wig looks like completely dry. It is so cute, y'all. I love this wig. Look at how fluffy it is. Look at how defined these curls are. I don't know if y'all been watching how much I've been running my fingers through this hair, but this hair has not frizzed up at all. Like, no frizz whatsoever. Look at how beautiful the curls is still in place, y'all. When I tell y'all this is the curly bob that you need, you definitely need this. Like, curls is still in place, curls is still popping, still juicy. Everything will be below in the description bar. Trust me, you need this wig from My First Wig. Coupon code will be below as well. Thanks for watching.